Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of changing your TikTok region or primary country. Before we begin, make sure to check out the software link right below this video. Now let's jump in. To start, there's no direct way to change your region directly within the TikTok app. However, you can adjust some settings to achieve this. First, head to your TikTok profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right. From there, click the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen, and then select Settings and Privacy. Next, under the Account section, choose Privacy. Here, you'll need to locate Location Services and click on it. You will then be prompted to open your device's settings. Once in your device's settings, go to App Permissions, where you can find the location setting. Tap on it and choose Deny. After that, close TikTok and exit the app. Now, go to your mobile device's main settings. Once there, look for Additional Settings. Open that up, and you should see an option to change the region. Select it, then search for the country or region you'd like to switch to. In this example, we'll choose Australia. Select Australia, and the region should now update on your device. This will likely change your TikTok region too. That's all for today. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.